Pipe P can fill a tank in how many hours? 32 hours. While pipe Q can fill the same tank in 40 hours. R is an outlet pipe. When only Q and R open, the tank gets filled in 80 hours. In how many hours will the tank gets filled if only pipes P and R open? First, only P can fill the tank in how many hours? 32 hours. Only P 32 hours and only Q 40 hours. But Q and R open together, it can be filled in how many hours? 80 hours. Q and R. And here R is a outlet or inlet? Outlet. What is the LCM of 32, 40 and 80? 160. 32 how many times? 5 times. 40, 80, 2 times. Already Q efficiency 4 parts. R efficiency Q plus R is 2 parts means R must be minus 2 or plus 2? Minus 2. And in how many hours will the tank gets filled if only P and R open? What is the P efficiency? 5 parts. R efficiency minus 2. What is the total tank? 160 by 5 minus 2 means 3. 160 by 3. What is the answer? 53. 1 by 3. Next question number 187. 187. A tank contains a 312 liters of mixture of sugar, syrup and water in the ratio of 5:8. 8x liters of the mixture is taken out and it is replaced with 2x minus 14 liters of water so that the ratio of sugar syrup to the water becomes 4:7. Find the value of x. For the initial quantity 312. In that sugar and water in which ratio? 5:8. In that we are taken 8x liters of mixture is taken out. 312 that is 13 multiple 5:8 also. Total how many parts? 13 parts sir. Means out of 312 liters we are taken 13 parts means 8x liters must be multiple of which one? 13 and 8 is multiple of 13? No. Means obviously x must be 13 multiple and how many options? Only one and means x equal to how much? 13. Total quantity is how much? 312. That is 13 multiple and in that syrup and water are in which ratio? 5:8. Out of 13 parts we are taken 8x liters means 8x also must be multiple of 13 and 8 is a multiple of 13? No. Means x must be multiple of 13 and then x is how much? 13. Or verification. Okay. Total how many parts? 13. Here 8x means how many liters? 104 liters sir. 104. What is the mixture value? 312. In that 104 are taken means 1/3 are taken 1/3 are taken. What is the remaining? 208. The 208 is splitted which ratio? 5:8. Total how many parts? 13 parts. 13 parts are 208. Every one part are 16. 5 parts are 80. Next 8 parts are 128. Again it is replaced 2x minus 14 liters of water. 2x means 26 minus 14 means 12. 128 plus 12. 140. One will be 80, another one are 140. What is the ratio? 4:7. Same are getting or different? Next question number 188. Just a verification or not? Question number 188. Into 2021, the number of sheep and goats are 220 and 300 respectively. Next year, the number of sheep is increased by 15%. And the number of goats are reduced by 20%. In 2022, the number of sheep is how much more than the number of goats are? Out of 220, how much percent are increased? 15%. 10%, 22. 15%, 11. 22 plus 11, 33. Total it is 253. Out of 300, 20% decreased. Means remaining 240 or not? What is the difference? 13 or not? Next question number 189. 11 digital and 19 smart watches are there in a box. out of which 4 digital and 6 smart watches are defective, and if 2 watches are selected from the box, what is the probability that either both watches are smart or both watches are non-defective? First of all, how many digital watches are there? 11. How many smart watches? 19. Out of 11, how many are defective? 4. Means remaining 7 non-defective or defective. Next, out of 19, 6 are defective, non-defective are 13. Total non-defective watches is how much? 20. Total smart watches? Total smart watches 19. Total non-defective watches 20. What is the question here? If 2 watches are selected from the box, what is the probability that either both the watches are smart or both are in non-defective? How many smart watches are there? 19. Then we return 19 C2 are non-defective or defective? Non-defective. How many non-defective? 20. Then we return 20 C2 by total how many watches? 30 watches are total how many watches? 30. Then we return 30 C2. Event size by sample size are what is the event size? 19 C2 or 20 C2 by sample size 30 C2 or 19 C2 means that will be 19 into 18. 20 C2 means we return 20 into 19 or what is the denominator? 30 into which one? 29. Any cancellation? 2 how many times? 9. 2 how many times? 10. Denominator 15 times or 19 into 19. 171. 19 into 10. What is the common value? 19 common. 9 plus 10. 19. That will be 19 into 19. How much? 361 by 29 into 15. That will be 435. Next question number 190. The average amount of money persons MNOP have 240. Means 4 persons sum is how much? M plus N plus O plus P equal to how much? 960. The amount of money is equal to the average of money of the other sir. Means M value equal to average of 3 persons sir. Means 3M equal to which one? N plus O plus P. Okay. Second one, money N is equal to the which one? Average amount of other sir. Means it is also written 3N equal to which one? M plus O plus P. Okay. These two are simplified. We are get the which one? 3M minus N. It is equal to which one? 3N minus M. O plus P equal to how much? 3M minus N. O plus P equal to 3N minus M. Both are equal or different? Equal. And one will be 3M, another one minus M. Total it is 4M. 4M equal to 4N. Then M equal to how much? N value. M equal to N value. Then O plus P value equal to how much? 3M means 3N. Already N. O plus P equal to 2N. In place of 3M, we written how much? 3N. 3N and N. What is the difference? 2N. 2N equal to which one? O plus F. O plus P. Substitute the values. In place of M, we written N. In place of N, we written N. In place of O plus P, we written 2N. Total it is 4N. 4N equal to which one? 960. What is the N value? 240. What is the question here? Average of M and N. M is 240 means N also 240. Average means 240. Next question number 191. If M value 240, N value also 240, average also 240. Next question number 191. A started a business by investing how much? 16,000. After 2 months of the starting the business, B joins A 14,000. Similarly, C joined the business after 4 months from B joins with the investment of 12,000. At the end of the 10 months from the start of the business, the total profit earned in the business is how much? 8,000. And C gets how many rupees? An additional profit of 1800 apart from his share of profit in the business. What is the total profit earned by C? First of all, what is the A investment? 16, B investment 14, C investment 12. What is the investment ratio? 8 is to 7 is to 6, and A will be left. A capital are used for how many months? 10 months, but B will be joined after 2 months, means B capital are used for 8 months, and C will be joined after 4 months from B joins, means after 6 months. Already 2, next 4, after 6 months. What is the remaining time? 4 months, and all are in 8 multiples. 8 ones are 8 ones are 8. How many times? 3 times. Profits are distributed 10 is to 7 is to 3. Okay, total profit is how many parts? 20 parts. Okay, what the total profit is given how much? 8,000. In that C already getting 1800. What is the remaining? 8,000 minus 1800. What is the remaining? 6,200. That is distributed based on their investments. What are the investments total? How many parts? 20 parts equal to 6,200. What is the one part value? 310. And here see how many parts are invested? 3 parts. How many rupees are received? 930. Investment wise 310. Already 1800. What is the total value? 1800 plus 930. What is the answer? 2730. C get an additional profit of 1800 apart from his share of profit in the business. His profit in the business is how many rupees? 930. What is the additional profit? 1800. Total how many rupees are received? 2730. Next question number 192. In a scheme, a certain sum of money in simple interest amounts to which one? 14,880 in how many years? N years. And 16,320 in N plus 2 years. If the rate of interest is given how much? 6%. Find the value of N. What is the N years amount? 14,880. What is the N plus 2 years amount? 16,320. How many rupees are increased? 1440. That is 2 years increased or only 1 year increased? 2 years. 2 years increased 1440. What is the 1 year increase? 720. What is the per annum rate of percent are given? 6%. Means 720 equal to how much percent? 6%. Then we are get the principal. How much percent? 100%. 6% or 720. 100%. 12,000. That is principal or amount? Principal. What is the amount for N years? 14,880. That is amount or principal? Amount. Already principal. Difference is interest. Interest is how much? 2,880. It is some years interest or only 1 year interest? Some years. Means it is any years interest or only 1 year? Any years interest. What is the 1 year interest? 720. In 1 year you getting 720 interest. In any years you getting interest are 2,880. Almost 4 times. N equal to how much? 4 years. If we required number of years means definitely we know the rate of percent and also principal also required, and already rate of percent are given. That 6% value 720, that is per annum interest. Converted to principal, what is the principal value? 12,000. Out of 14,880, principal is 12,000, means what is the additional interest? 2,880. That is received in some years. What is the per annum interest? 720. How many times it is? 4 times. Next 193. 2 items are sold for a total of 5,340. The first item is sold at a profit of 20% and the second item is sold at a loss of 15%. If the overall profit on the transaction is how much? 11.25%. Find the how much cost price of one item is more than that of other item or not. Means required cost price difference or selling price difference. Cost price difference. On CP1, what is the profit percentage are given? 20%. On CP2, what is the loss percentage are given? 15%. Sold for 5340. It is total selling price or cost price? Total selling price. Total selling price. First one 20% profit, second one 15% loss, but overall getting 11.25% profit. Simplify these three values, we are get the cost price ratio. 20% minus 11.25, remaining 8.75. 11.25 minus of minus 15, that will be 26.25. How many times it is? 3 times. What is the ratio? 3:1. CP2 we are consider 100%, means CP1 300%. These are the cost prices or selling prices? Cost price. First one how much percent are profit? 20%. Selling price of first one 360%. 20% profit means selling price of first one 360. 100%. Second one what is the loss value? 15%. Selling price of second one 85%. 300 cost prices. 360 and 85 selling prices are. What are the sum of the selling prices? 445%. That is equal to how many rupees? 5340. But we required difference between cost prices are. What is the difference between cost prices? 200%. What is the difference between 445 and 534? How much? 5 times, 6 times or 5% is how much? 60. What is the 1%? 12. 200%? 2400. Difference 8900. That is a prime number. Means 445 is divided by 89. How many times? 5 times. 534, 6 times. 5% 60. What is the 1%? 12. 200% means 2400. Next question number 194. 6 years ago the age of the A was equal to the age of B 3 years hence. 6 years ago means A minus 6 or A plus 6? A minus 6. That will be equal to B after 3 years. This one we written A minus B equal to how much? 9. What is the second statement? The present age of C is 3 years less than the present age of B. Means C equal to B minus 3 or B plus 3? B minus 3. Then B minus 3 equal B minus C equal to how much? 3 years. Okay. What is the next line? How many years A is younger or older than the C? Okay. Both are adding equations or subtracting? Adding. If you are adding the equations, minus B plus B cancel. What is the remaining? A minus C equal to how much? 12. 12 or 6? 12. Because adding the equations or subtracting the equations? Adding them. What is the meaning? A compared to C, how many years are older? 12 years. Answer 12 years older or younger? Older. Which option? Fifth option. Or simply we are saying A and C age difference is 12 years. Next question number 195. The time taken by boat to cover a certain distance in upstream is twice the time taken by it in downstream. The speed of the stream is given 6 km per hour. Find the time taken by the boat to cover 81 km in downstream and return to its initial point if the speed of the stream is increased by 50%. First of all, upstream time compared to downstream time, double or triple? Double. And here distance is constant or changed? Constant. When distance is constant, downstream speed and time is always inversely proportional. What is the time in downstream? Suppose 1 hour. Upstream time are 2 hours. Upstream time is twice the which one? Downstream time. If downstream time are 1 hour, upstream time are 2 hours. That is time ratio. What is the speed ratio? 2:1 error. Downstream speed 2 parts, upstream speed 1 part. Then M value adding by 2 or subtracting by 2? Adding by 2 means it will be 1.5 parts. S value subtracting by 2 error. S is how much? 0.5 parts error. What is the 1 and 0.5 value? 6 km per hour. Then 1.5 value 18 km per hour because it is 3 times error. Next, find the time taken by the boat to cover 81 downstream and return to initial point. Means we require total time error. Total time. If the speed of the stream is increased by 50%, already speed of the stream 6. Increased by 50% means 9 km per hour. One case it will be downstream, another case are upstream. What is the distance in downstream? 81. What is the speed in downstream? 18 plus 9. How much? 27. And another case 81 kilometers, but upstream or downstream? Upstream. 18 minus 9 means 9er. These two are adding, we are getting the total timer. 27 3 times 9 9 times 9 plus 3 12 hours. Next question number 196. Question number 196. Sum of the two numbers is given how much? 130. When 21 is added to x and 21 is subtracted from y, the ratio of x and y becomes how much? 8:5. And what is the ratio of the x minus 9 and y plus 9 respectively? Already we know x plus y equal to how much? 130. 21 is added to x and 21 is subtracted from y. Means x minus x plus 21 and y minus 21. What is the ratio? 8:5. X plus 21 by y minus 21 equal to which ratio? 8:5. X plus y equal to how much? 130. Suppose x value are consider a, y value 130 minus a. 130 minus a plus 21 by 130 minus a, again minus 21 means 130 minus 29, 109 minus a equal to which one? 8 by 5. Just cross multiplication. One will be 5a, another one are 8a. Total it is 13a. 5 into 21, 105. 8 into 109, 872. What is the difference? 7, 6, 5. Sorry, 7, 6, 7. 7, 6, 7. 13 almost 5 times. What is the remaining? 117 means 9. A value 59. A is 59 means obviously y value. It is equal to x or y? X. X is 59 means what is the y value? 71. What is the question here? X minus 9 and y plus 9. X minus 9 means 50. Y plus 9 means 80. What is the ratio? 5:8. Our two linear equations also we are get the same result. X plus y equal to 130. Another one x plus 21 by y minus 21 equal to 8 by 5. We are get the two linear equations or only one? Two linear equations. Next question number 197. The sum of the perimeter of a rectangle and perimeter of a square is equal to the which one? Circumference of a circle. Perimeter of a rectangle and perimeter of a square is equal to the which one? Circumference of a circle. Perimeter of a rectangle means 2 of L plus B. Perimeter of a square means 4a. That is equal to which one? Circumference of a circle means 2 pi r. What is the next line? The side of a square is 18 centimeters means 4a 72. Length and breadth of the rectangle are 69 and 40.2. Both are adding 109.2. It will be 2 of L plus B. Only L plus B 109.2. Double means 218.4 r. These two are adding, we are getting the 2 pi r value. 2 pi r. 218.4 plus 72. 290.4 equal to which one? 2 pi r. That will be considered 44 by 7 into r. Okay. 44 almost 7 times. 7 or 6? 6 times. 44 6 are 132 double 264 r. What is the remaining? 264 complete. What is the remaining? 26. Again 6 times r. 0.6. Then r equal to how much? 42 plus 4.2. 46.2. And what is the question here? Find the perimeter of another square whose side is equal to the which one? Radius. Again we required perimeter means it will be 4 times of r value, means 4 into which one? 46.2. Answer 184.8. Next question number 198. Car P starts from point A to point B at 6 am at a speed of 15 km per hour, and car Q starts at 12 pm from point A to point B at a speed of 35 km per hour. Find the distance covered by the car Q when it crosses a car P. What is the starting time difference? One will be started 6 am, another one are started 12 pm. What is the starting time difference? 6 hours. And here both are moving in same direction or opposite direction? From A to B, A to B. Same direction or opposite direction? Same direction. Same direction means the distance will be constant or changed? Constant. Same direction means one will be thief, another one are policer. Means the distance is constant or changed? Constant. When distance is constant, speed and time inversely proportional. One will be speed 15, another one are 35. Speed is more, time will be lesser. Okay. Then we are required distance value means we are apply the difference of the time concept. Product of the speeds by difference of the speeds into time difference. What is the first one speed? 15. What is the second one speed? 35. It is product of the speeds divide by difference of the speeds 20 into time difference 6 hours. Okay. 5 how many times here? 3 times, and here 4 times. Again 2 3s are 2 2s are 3 into 35 105 into 3 means 105 into 3 315 divide by 2. What is the answer? 157.5.